When Morant was drafted second overall pick in the 2019 NBA draft, I was concerned. Not because of him, not because he was drafted by the Grizzlies, but because he was drafted second overall pick. The NBA draft second overall pick has a high tendency of being a bust, but I was concerned for nothing, because that is not the case for Ja. Just like KD, his talent and work ethic are just too good to be pulled down by the NBA draft second overall pick curse. For me, Ja is the best player to be drafted second overall pick since KD in 2007. In his rookie season, he really showed out. You can see that he has a lot of confidence. He was not afraid of the big moments. And he was not afraid of anybody. He even blocked Kyrie Irving's game-winning shot to send the game to overtime, and made the right play to give up the ball for them to win the game. He averaged 17.8 points, 3.9 rebounds, 7.3 assists, 0.9 steals, and 0.3 blocks per game, and won the NBA Rookie of the Year award. There's not much of an improvement in his second season, as most of his stats goes down and he played less games. But that doesn't mean it's a down year for Ja, as he helped the Memphis Grizzlies defeat the Golden State Warriors, dropping 35 points, 6 rebounds, 6 assists, and 4 steals in the play-in tournament, and made the playoffs for the first time since the 2017 and 2018 season. Ja really showed out in his first playoffs appearance against the Utah Jazz. He averaged 30.2 points, 4.8 rebounds, and 8.2 assists in 5 games, which in Game 2 he dropped 47 points, 4 rebounds, and 7 assists. Even though they fell short on that game and on that series, Ja showed the people what he is really capable of. In his third season, he continued to show people what he is capable of, as he keeps having big games and makes your jaw drop with his jaw-dropping plays. There's no doubt he is an all-star this season, and a candidate for the Most Improved Player and Most Valuable Player awards, as he helped the Grizzlies take the third spot in the West, averaging 25.1 points, 5.8 rebounds, 6.9 assists, and 1.3 steals. If Ja wins the Most Valuable Player award this year, he will be the second youngest player to win the award behind Derrick Rose. If he keeps this up, he might will. For me, Ja's explosiveness really resembles of that Derrick Rose's, but his game, his movements, his style, and his build resembles Allen Iverson, although he is taller than AI. He might not be as quick as AI and D-Rose, but just imagine Allen Iverson with Derrick Rose's explosiveness. Oh wait, you don't have to imagine, cause he's right there. You can see him before your eyes. Now, I'm not saying he's better than those two. It's still too early to know and say that. But who knows what's gonna happen? All I know is Ja is making noise right now. It's amazing to see Ja dominating in the league, from being unranked in high school to become this good in the NBA. I can't wait to see how great Ja is going to be in the next few years. He really did not disappoint.